All right, so up above they showed us equations and they told us what the variable is. Down here, you're going to get an equation and you have to figure out what the variable is. Okay? And they're pretty simple. The one steps are very simple. We just have to do the inverse operation. So it's the operation that reverses the effect of another operation. So if it's an addition problem, we're going to subtract the number that's with the variable from both sides. Okay? The inverse operation of add is subtract. So this is all it means. Your goal in algebra is to get the letter by itself. We need this a by itself. An equal sign separates an equation into two sides. So we have a left side and a right side. So if I want this a by itself, then I have to get rid of the number that's on the same side as that a. And I'm going to do that, or that number is 22. If it's add 22, we're going to subtract it. So I'm going to do minus 22, minus 22. Whatever you do to the left side, you have to do to the right side, okay? Because equations are always equal to each other. Like if I have 18 on one side, I have to have 18 on the other. If I want to change this to 14 by subtracting 4, then I have to change this side to 14 by subtracting 4. So whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right. So if I have a positive 22 and a negative 22, that's one of each, or that's subtraction. 22 minus 22 is 0. So it cancels out, and it's leaving you with the a on the left side. You still have your equal sign. And now on this side, it says negative 8 minus 22. So that's a subtraction problem with negatives. So I'm going to do keep, change, change. Keep the negative 8, change to addition, change to its opposite. Once you get into that addition problem, now you look at your numbers, and I have two negatives, and when you have two negatives, you add, and your answer is negative. So you get negative 30. So you're trying to figure out what the variable is. The variable a is equals negative 30. The best part about equations is you can plug this number in for a, see if it solves, and see if you get negative 8 equals negative 8. Okay. This one I want to get the x by itself, so I have to get rid of the 24. If it's add 24, we're going to subtract 24 from both sides. 24 minus 24 is 0, leaves you with x. 7 minus 24. Can't take 24 away from 7, so keep, change, change. And now you have one of each. And when you have one of each, you subtract. 24 minus 7, I believe, is 14. 4, 5, 6, is it 17? 17. And the 24 is bigger, so it's negative.